Hi, my name is Ivan, and I'm going to be taking you through the project management course. I have gained my professional experience while working in the fields of international management, consulting, and insurance. Most notably, I have spent the past several years as a project manager for the American International Group, AIG. Also, I am a certified project management professional and will be happy to share my expertise with you. This course is the perfect one-stop shop for those of you who would like to pursue a career in project management. You will acquire practical skills that will turn you into highly skillful talent, which will be invaluable at job interviews and throughout your career. Get excited, as you've come to the right place and at the right time. So, let me walk you through the content of this course. First, we'll learn what the fundamental characteristics of projects are and how they differ from day-to-day business operations. Then, we will do a quick time travel and look at the history of projects and project management throughout the centuries. We will study the role of the most important person, the project manager, and see why they are called the CEO of a project. What should they be focusing on, and what skills do they need to develop? This part of the course is critical as it covers all key concepts and theory about the nature and purpose of projects. Once we have covered some of the fundamentals, we will continue by reviewing what the life cycle of a project looks like, from the beginning until the very end. While studying in detail each of the life cycle phases, we will introduce a specifically developed project case that will be analysed throughout its full life cycle. The phases to be examined in detail are called initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control, and finally, closure. During initiation, the foundations of a project are laid. The idea is analysed and then validated. The planning phase allows us to diligently prepare each detail to successfully accomplish the project goal within the given time and budget. Execution is when we will address key topics like what a project manager's priorities need to be during this intense period and how to manage and motivate the team and potentially find better ways of performing the work on project deliverables. Monitoring and control activities are an essential part of the project manager's job, and we will see the tools and techniques used to ensure the project will be completed on time and within budget. Closure is the phase during which a project is completed. We will discuss its importance and will learn how to complete a project professionally and with style. In the last part of the course, we will enter the world of Agile project management. You will be introduced to the key characteristics of this methodology, how useful it can be, and the best areas for its application. The last lessons will be aligned with this topic, and you will see an example of a software development project performed with one of the most commonly used Agile methods, Scrum. In case you have any questions or just want to say hi, do not hesitate to post in the course discussion board. We love hearing from you. Once you've completed 50% and 100%, you've earned a gift of 2 of our other courses. Please let us know that you've reached 50% or 100% by posting in the course discussion board and we will send you the gift. Sounds exciting, right? Now, dive straight in and let's begin this exciting journey together.